Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Kahoot public on a tablet. First, open the Kahoot app on your device. This guide will walk you through the process of changing your game's privacy settings, ensuring it can be found and played by anyone. We will cover accessing your Kahoots, modifying their visibility, and saving your changes so your game is ready for a wider audience. To begin, launch the Kahoot app from your tablet's home screen. Once inside, look for the My Kahoot section, which displays all the games you have created. Browse through your list and tap on the specific Kahoot you want to make public. This action will open the game's details page, where you can access various editing options. On the Kahoot's detail page, find and tap the Edit button, often represented by a pencil icon. Within the editing interface, scroll down until you see a section labeled Visibility or Privacy Settings. Here, you will find options like Private and Public. Select Public to ensure your Kahoot is discoverable by anyone searching within the app. After selecting the public option, it is crucial to save your changes. Look for a Save or Done button, usually located at the top or bottom of the screen, and tap it. Your Kahoot is now publicly available for others to find and play. You can then share the game link or PIN with your audience, inviting them to join the fun.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.